Welcome to the Termly Roundup. We are ready and excited for the summer term, but first let's celebrate what happened in spring term that could support you going forwards. It's the National Year of Reading in 2026, and we were delighted to kick this off with the Purple Mash Library. This is free with Purple Mash and includes hundreds of books from a wide range of genres for your children to engage with, and many comprehension quizzes to encourage and develop the depth of understanding. Children can read or listen to the stories and adapt features such as text colour and font.
I've never been allowed to join the hunt.
It also includes a category of Dorling Kindersley non-fiction books for use across the curriculum, with beautiful illustrations. You could start by scheduling books, using the online reading journal, or launching your children into a summer of reading for pleasure by providing them with all this choice. Here's Cody and Chip. Yes, they became part of the library with the launch of Cody and Chip's Password Peril, part of our offering for Safer Internet Day in February. You can still find the rest of the resources here in Computing. This reminds me, on the theme of online safety, we have made some very important updates to 2Be Safe, our online safety scheme. We now have a greater breadth and coverage of AI, informative not practical, and include information about conspiracy theories in response to updated guidance within KCSIE. There has also been a large update to the RSE linkage document in light of the new RSHE guidance being made statutory in September 2026. The document now outlines the key online aspects that 2Be Safe helps teachers to cover. It's that time of year again, and SATs are on the way. Our SATs revision resources have more than doubled in number this year, and you'll find reading texts and practice questions for all areas of English and Maths. So if you want any last-minute resources, head to English or Maths. We are running the games design competition this year and are so excited by your entries. The judging is taking place and we're looking forward to meeting the finalists at the Amazon offices in London. It was also great to interact with many of you virtually in the live lesson. We learned about the new features of the fantastic 2DIY 3D, which include doors, keys, power-ups, hotspots, and the ability to develop games using the block-based coding like in 2Code. Do catch up if you missed it, as you can still use the recording in lessons. Other live lessons we've enjoyed this term were 2 coding ones on selection and variables, and we have one coming up that you can book onto now. In this, we'll use the new TrackLab tool to learn how to create a song for the upcoming song competition. It's been great this term to work with the British School of Signs and add in the new BSL resources. You can find these in the languages category. Who's looking forward to the FIFA Men's World Cup in 2026? We've created some resources for it, and there'll be a competition too. There is something for everyone, from debating VAR to graphing results and designing shirts to interactive games and reading. And if all this isn't plenty enough, we've launched the new Parent Portal. Provide your parents with a code to sign themselves up and enable them to celebrate their children's work, help their child access Purple Mash, and engage them in this exciting home learning experience. As always, do get in touch if we can be of any support. You could book a Mash chat for a one-to-one or a CPD session to engage your wider staff, all included in your subscription at no extra cost. We look forward to meeting you.